Hello, dear viewers and students. I welcome to you in this online e-learning class. This is your English class. Today, I will discuss about your non-detailed text. I hope my class helps you to know your English topic. Are you ready to watch the video? Today topic is very interesting and pleasurable for you. Let's go your class. Dear students, look the picture here. This is a very beautiful picture. Which picture do you see here? Question for you. Which picture do you see here? Yes, it is a picture of tiger. This is who is the national animal of India? Who is the national animal of India? Yes, tiger is the national animal of India. Is tiger a domestic or a wild animal? Tiger टी गोटे डोमेस्टिक किंबा वाइल्ड एनिमल तुम्हें कौन भावुच? व्हाट डिड यू थिंक? यस, इट इज ए wild animal. It is too difficult to pet in home a tiger. Where does the tiger live? Where does the tiger live? Yes, the tiger live. You can answer. The tiger live in forest or in zoo. Have you ever heard that a tiger in the house? This is the interesting question for you. Have you ever heard that a tiger in the house? Do you think the story will be about a tiger entered a house, or someone pet a tiger in the house, or someone else read the story to check your guess about the story? Yes, this is the discussion part, that a tiger a tiger in the house, that means the tiger is pet someone or a tiger entered the house. To know better, we read the story very carefully and to find out the interesting things whatever in the story. Okay, next part. This is the text part of your story. This There are some picture in this uh, story. I have arranged. There is a tiger and someone hold the tiger calf. Different picture are there. Okay. Timothy the tiger calf was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in Terai jungle near Dehra. Grandfather was no shikari, but as he knew the forest of the Siulik hills better than most people, he was requested to accompany the party. It consisted of several very important persons from Delhi to advise on the land and direction the beaters should take once the tiger had been spotted. The camp itself was some seven large tents, one for each shikari, a dining tent, and number of servants' tents. The dinner was very good, as grandfather admitted. Afterwards, it was not often that one saw hot water plates, finger glasses, and 7 or 8 couches in a tent in the jungle. But that was how things were done in the stage of the viceroys. There were also some 15 elephants, 4 of them with howdahs for the shikaris, and the others specially trained for taking part in the beat. The sportsmen never saw a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else, though they saw a number of deer, peacocks, and wild boar. They were giving up all hope of finding a tiger and were beginning to shoot at jackals when grandfather, strolling down the forest path at some distance from the rest of the party, discovered a littler tiger about 18 inches long hiding among the intricate roots of banyan tree. The grandfather picked him up and brought him home after the camp had broken up. He had the distinction of being the only member of the party to have bagged any game, dead or alive. This is the first part of your story. I will read the story and you also read 2 or 3 times more. Then discussion part. Some difficult words you may note it in your notebook. Timothy is the first character or the main character of the story. Who was Timothy? Timothy was a tiger cub. You can see here a picture of tiger cub, and also the another picture here, that also a tiger cub and a man. Okay, so Timothy the tiger cub was discovered by grandfather on a hunting expedition in Terai jungle. Terai jungle. Yes, Terai or Tarai, also spelled Terai, region of the northern India and southern Nepal running parallel to the lower range of Himalayas, a strip of on-landing former marshland is stretched from the Yamuna river in the west of the Brahmaputra river in the east. That means Terai jungle is situated near the Himalaya. Grandfather was no shikari. Grandfather shikari ନଥିଲେ, but he knew the forest and Shivlik hills better than most people. He was requested to accompany the party to consisted of several very important persons from Delhi to advise the land and direction. This is the main point. To advise land and direction waiters should take once a tiger been spotted. କାହିଁକି ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡଫାଦର ସେ ପାର୍ଟିରେ ଆକମ୍ପାନୀ କରିଥିଲେ? କାରଣ ସେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଯେଉଁ ଶିଓଲିକ୍ ପାଦ ଦେଶରେ ଅବସ୍ଥିତ ଥିବା ତେରାଇ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ବିଷୟରେ। ସେଠାର ଲୋକାଲ ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ, ସେ ଲୋକାଲ ପିପୁଲ ଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ ଆସିଥିଲେ ହଣ୍ଟିଂ ଏକ୍ସପେଡିସନରେ। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ହଣ୍ଟିଂ ଏକ୍ସପେଡିସନ୍? ହଣ୍ଟିଂ ଏକ୍ସପେଡିସନ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଶିକାର କରିବା ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟରେ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ ଏକ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ କିଛି ଦିନ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପ କରି ରହି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଶିକାର କରିବା ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟରେ ଆସିଥିଲେ। Who did discover Timothy? There is a question. Who did discover the Timothy? The Timothy was discovered by grandfather or grandfather discovered Timothy. ତାହେଲେ ଟିମୋଥୀକୁ କିଏ ଉଦ୍ଧାର କରିଥିଲା? ଏଠି ଦେଖ ଚିତ୍ରଟେ ଦେଇଛି, ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡଫାଦର ଛୋଟିଆ ବାଘ ଛୁଆଟିକୁ ଧରିଛନ୍ତି। Question, who did discover Timothy? Grandfather discovered Timothy. Then question, another question, where was Timothy discovered? Where was Timothy discovered? Timothy was discovered in Terai jungle. Timothy was discovered in Terai jungle. Terai jungle ରୁ Timothy hunting expedition କରିବା ଭିତରେ ବା ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ଶିକାର କରିବା ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ସେ ସମୟରେ ଉଦ୍ଧାର କରିଥିଲେ ବା discover କରିଥିଲେ grandfather. Yes. Why did grandfather accompany the party? It is a very interesting question and legitimate question. Why did grandfather accompany the party? Accompany अर्थ साथ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ବା ଯୋଗ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। କାହିଁକି grandfather ସେ ପାର୍ଟି କୁ attend କରିଥିଲେ ବା ଯୋଗ ଦେଇଥିଲେ? To advise the land and direction the waiters should take once a tiger had been spotted. Because grandfather is the local people and he live in near the Terai jungle, other friends are come from Delhi to advise them to mm, to because grandfather knew the forest part of Siolik Hills better than other people. That means those are come from the Delhi. So that grandfather accompanied the party. Grandfather accompanied the party because he knew the forest of the Siolik Hills better than most people. Answer. This is the 4 question we have discussed in this part of uh, this part of story, and another lines are there. We, we, we discuss it. The camp is still very sumptuous, 7 large tents, one for each shikari, etc. This is the another part. How many elephants were in the camp? How many elephants were in the camp? ସେମାନେ ଏକ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପ କରିଥିଲେ। ସେ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପରେ କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଲାର୍ଜ ଟେନ୍ ଥିଲା ଏବଂ ତା ଭିତରେ କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଆମର ସର୍ଭେଣ୍ଟ ମାନ ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡଫାଦରଙ୍କର। ଏଇଠି ରାଇଟର କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡଫାଦରଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ। ଓକେ, ସୋ ସେ ଯେଉଁ ତାଙ୍କର ପାର୍ଟି ହେଇଥିଲା ବା ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଶିକାର କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପ ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ, ସେଥିରେ କେତୋଟି ହାତୀ ସେମାନେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିଥିଲେ। ହାଉ ମେନି ଏଲିଫେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଆର୍ ୟୁଜ୍ଡ or were in the camp? 15 elephants were used in that camp. How many? 15 elephants. The writer says that camp was very splendid. Why? Splendid, बहुत आकर्षणीय चित्ताकर्षक थिला कैंप टी कौन पे? You read the part of the story. The camp itself very sumptuous, 7 large tents for each shikari, a dining tent, a number of servant tents. The dinner was very good, as grandfather admitted afterwards. It was not often that one saw hot water plates, finger glasses and 7 and 8 crosses in a tent in the jungle. But that was how things were done in the days of Viceroy. It's it ପାଇଁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଏତେ ସ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଡିଡ୍ ଥିଲା ଯେମିତି ଭାଇସରାୟ ସମୟରେ ବା ଇଂରେଜ ସମୟରେ ଯେଉଁ ଭଳିଆ ସେମାନେ ଆନନ୍ଦ ବା ପ୍ରମୋଦ କରନ୍ତି ସେଇଭଳିଆ ସେ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପଟି ଥିଲା। ଏବଂ ତା ସହିତ ଅନେକ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ଟେଣ୍ଟ ପିଚିଂ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ କେତେ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ ସର୍ଭେଣ୍ଟ ମଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲେ ସେ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପରେ। ଏ ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ୍ ସର୍ଭେଣ୍ଟସ୍, ଡାଇନିଂ ଟେଣ୍ଟ, ଏସବୁ ଥିଲା ତା ଭିତରେ। ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ଏବଂ 15 ଏଲିଫେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଇଥିଲା। ୟେସ୍, ତା ସହିତ ସ୍ପେସିଆଲି ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଶିକାର କରିବେ ଟ୍ରେନର ମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଥିଲେ। ଏଥିପାଇଁ ସେ କ୍ୟାମ୍ପଟି ବହୁତ ସ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଡିଡ୍ ହୋଇଥିଲା ବୋଲି ରାଇଟର କହିଛନ୍ତି। ରାଇଟର ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡଫାଦରଙ୍କର ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଡସନ୍। ଓକେ, ସୋ the question is, the writer said that the camp was very splendid. Why? Because the camp was sumptuous, a number of large tents were used and servants were participated for helping and trained elephants were used for shikaris. So that the camp is very splendid. Okay, some difficult words. Sumptuous. Sumptuous means impressive or attractive. जहाँ चित्ताकर्षक बा आकर्षक ताको हम कहबा sumptuous. से कैंपटी बहुत sumptuous थिला। हावड़ा. Howdah means a set of riding on the back of elephant or camel, often more than one person. Okay, there is a picture you can see here. A elephant, on the elephant there is a howdah. That means ए हाथी टी देखो, हाथी ऊपर गुटिए बसिबा पई गदीर गुटिए आसन रही बा गोटे सेटअप रही ताकू कह जाए हावड़ा। माने हाथी पर जी बसिक जाती जो गोटे गति निर्मित सेटअप को आम कह हावड़ा। ये पिक्चर टी तुम देखिले भल भाव बुझीपर भल भाव दिखाई ये बुझी तार एग्जांपल। ओके, तापर जीवा आउ कौन आ भीतर रहा बुझापी आउ कौन कौन से कैंप रे व्यवहार करा जाइथिला। व्हाट आर द अदर थिंग्स आर यूज्ड वर यूज्ड इन दैट कैंप। कौन कौन यूज कराइला ना हॉट वाटर प्लेट्स फिंगर ग्लासेस and so many else. Again, the sports person never saw a tiger, nor did they shoot anything else, though they saw a number of deer, peacocks, and wild boar. The sportsman, that means sportsman ଏଠାରେ କାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି? ଏଠି sportsman କୁହାଯାଇଛି grandfather ଙ୍କୁ. He never saw a tiger nor did shoot anything else. से केवल टाइगर को एते माने प्रत्यक्ष भाव में देखि नथिले किंबा तांको शूट करि नथिले अर्थात गुली कर नथिले. Though they saw a number of deer, peacocks and wild boar. This is a picture of wild boar. जाको कहे जंगली घुसुरी wild boar. They were giving up all hope of finding a tiger and were beginning to shoot at jackal when grandfather strolling down the forest path. Strolling down, that means what is strolling? Stroll means slow, relaxed, leisurely walk. Strolling, that means धीरे धीरे jogging जोटा तमे कहबे jogging टा कहबे strolling. That means a person running very slowly. आमे जतले मॉर्निंग वॉक करता धीरे धीरे जो चली था कहे स्ट्रोलिंग डाउन द फॉरेस्ट पाथ जो फॉरेस्ट रास्ता दे जाऊले ये लाइट भल भाव देख स्ट्रोलिंग डाउन द फॉरेस्ट पाथ सम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्टी discovered a little tiger about 18 inches long hiding among the intricate roots of banyan tree. It is point out it. देखो कौन है ना जिते बेले ग्रैंडफादर व्हेन ग्रैंडफादर स्ट्रोलिंग डाउन द फॉरेस्ट पाथ धीरे धीरे चलिकी जंगल रास्ता दे जाउतले सम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्टी फ्रॉम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ पार्टी दैट मीन्स पार्टी ठारू बहुत दूर रे जते बेले से फॉरेस्ट आड़ को आसी जाइथिले बुलिबा पई देखिबा पई he discovered a little tiger about 18 inches गोटे छोटिया बाघ छुआटी को से डिस्कवर्ड करथिले आविष्कार करथिले अर्थात एठारे उद्धार करथिले केउठारु ना हाइडिंग अमंग द इंट्रिगेट रूट्स ऑफ banyan tree. हाइडिंग अमंग द इंट्रिगेट मु गोटे पिक्चर देछि देखो I have posting a picture here. Place a picture here. This is integrate roots माने छंदी है कि रही बा कोरड़ गचर कोरड़ को कह इंट्रिगेट रूट्स से इंट्रिग्रेट रूट्स भितर गोटे 18 इंचर बाघ छुआटी फसी जाइथिला. ओके से समय रे ग्रैंडफादर ताको उद्धार करथिले. ग्रैंडफादर picked him up and brought him home after the camp had broken up. एवं broken up means एते गोले कैंप टी भांगी गला बा परिसमाप्ति घटिला. ग्रैंडफादर से बाघ छुआटी को जो उद्धार करथिले banyan tree रो रूट्स ऑफ banyan tree रो तळे उद्धार करथिले ताकु से घर को नहीं आस्थिले. He had distinction being only member of the party have begged only game dead or alive. Okay, who discovered Timothy and when? The question is who discovered Timothy and when? Answer grandfather discovered. It लिखाला grandfather discovered Timothy from Terai jungle when at the time of hunting expedition जेतोले शिकार करिया उद्देश्य जो कैंप टी होतिला सही समय रे तेराई जंगल रु banyan tree भितरे कोरड़ भितरे पसिकी थिबा रूट्स ऑफ banyan tree भितरे पसिकी थिबा बाघ छेटु को उद्धार करिथिले. क्लियर. When grandfather discovered tiger cub से क्या कथा grandfather discovered the tiger cub at the time of hunting expedition. How was grandfather different from other members of the party? How was grandfather different from other members of the party? कहीं से other member ठारू अलग थे because he had a distinction being only member of the party to bet any game, dead or alive. He did not mixed with their friends because he is different from another friends. He walking the forest to know about the forest in spite of resting in the camp. से कैंप रे रेस्ट नहीं नथिले फॉरेस्ट जीवजंतु विषय अधिक जानिया पे से जंगल में बुलुथिले जा फल रे से बाघ छुटू को उद्धार करथिले क्लियर ओके how was grandfather different from another party well, do you think grandfather will pet the tiger cub at home yes it is a question for you do you think grandfather will pet तमे भाबुछ कि ग्रैंडफादर से बाघ छुआटी को तांको घरे पाली थिबे पोसी थिबे ना से जंगल रे पुनश्च नहीं जंगल रे छाड़ी दे थिबे दिस इज क्वेश्चन फॉर यू यू कैन आंसर इन योर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन अबाउट इट ओके तेणुकर तुम ये आंसर टी क्वेश्चन तुम ग्रुप रे छाड़ब जैसे बाघ छुआटी को ग्रैंडफादर कौन करथिबे पोसी थिबे ना पुनश्च जंगल रे छाड़ी दे थिबे this is your first part of your story and again I will discuss you the second part in a second video okay so any doubt about this part of your story you can contact with me with your problems and any suggestion and any questions you may share with me. Thank you, everybody.